Welcome to 20 Car. Let's dive into the heart-stopping world of the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, a marvel born in the land of supercar legends, Italy. With lines that slice through the wind like a razor and an engine that roars like a caged lion, the Huracan is pure poetry on wheels. Get ready to discover a side of this machine that feels like it was sculpted by the gods themselves. The appearance: Elegance meets ferocity. The 2025 Huracan flaunts a low-slung silhouette with sharp edges and bold curves that scream aggression. A pair of piercing LED headlights looks like they could see into your soul, while its massive air intakes drink in the road. In the rear, a twin exhaust setup and a new carbon fiber spoiler make it a rolling work of art. Inside the cockpit, futuristic minimalism. Step into its cockpit, and you're greeted by a fighter jet-inspired dashboard. A customizable 12.3-inch digital cluster dominates the space, while Alcantara wraps every surface your fingers can touch. The seats? They feel like hugs from an adrenaline-junkie robot. The beast within: technical prowess. At its core, a 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 churns out an earth-shattering 640 horsepower, hitting 0 to 100 km height in just 2.8 seconds. With all-wheel drive and updated suspension tech, it sticks to the road like it's glued. The rivals and costs. Going head-to-head with Ferrari's 296 GTB and McLaren Artura, the Huracan holds its own with unparalleled drama. Price? A cool $250,000. Maintenance and insurance? They might pinch your wallet, but can you put a price on driving legend? Driving experience: symphony of thrill. Behind the wheel, it's a symphony of raw power and finesse. Its responsive steering whispers secrets of the tarmac, while its exhaust note howls like an opera.